this week we're going to be having a look at birds. Now, I love doing birds. This type of bird here that you can see on my little paint cupboard was one of my first sort of birds that I ever started creating on rocks. They're nice and simple. We're going to be doing one of those today. This tutorial is a little bit different because in total there will be 4 rocks. Each time undercoats where needed have been used. For example, on 2 of the rocks that you're going to see today, they came from a gardening project, which means they were very rough, so they needed a bit of undercoat to smooth them off a bit. And also one of them came from a bag of rocks, so only the bird shape needed creating. The first tutorial we're going to be having a look at is this type of little bird here. There's also a tutorial on our website for that. I'll put the link in the description box below. The second one is a funky farmyard chicken. There's also a tutorial for that. And then the third one I'd never done before, but it's so simple, it's absolutely brilliant. When I was looking for inspiration for today's video, I came up against a specific rock which I found on Pinterest. And all of these birds will then be added together to make the 4th rock. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I shall see you when I've created the first 3. here's our first one, all nice and done and sprayed. Our second one, the Funky Farmyard Chicken. I love this one, it's absolutely so funny, it's brilliant. The last one then, a nice simple little bird. And now for the fourth rock. Here it is. I think it's brilliant. All three of the bird rocks in today's tutorial are on this one. I love it. I'm hoping to keep hold of these rocks for an upcoming Criticonga, but due to the COVID situation that has been postponed, and if it doesn't get rescheduled, I'll be sharing them out into the community to help people smile. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, check out the links below. Until next time, keep on rocking!